Belly fat is not something to fear. Everyone's bodies are different shapes and sizes for a whole variety of reasons, most of which we can't control. That said, losing visceral fat around your stomach area can lower your risk for several chronic diseases. So here are some habits to break to help you reach your goal. There's nothing wrong with a good late night snack. Check out my other video for all the healthy late night snacks that I love. And eating at night won't inherently make you gain weight. But if you're trying to lose weight, focus on quantity and quality. Always include protein, fiber, and healthy fat to help you feel full and satisfied after any meal or snack. Also, our bodies use more energy earlier in the day and naturally wind down at night. So eating earlier gives our body more time to utilize that energy rather than just immediately storing it as fat. Some stress in life is unavoidable, but too much can be bad for your health. So when you stress, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, and in excess, this can lead to inflammation and weight gain, especially around your belly area. So instead of just powering through it, find healthy ways to manage your stress before it gets out of hand. And if following a really strict diet or exercise program stresses you out, don't do it. Try and find something more sustainable for you. Getting in a type of movement that you enjoy can be a game changer for your health and for your weight loss efforts. So that can mean yoga or working in your garden or even dancing in your kitchen. Whatever it is, you should enjoy it and take time to take breaks and move during the day. So sleep is really important for a bunch of body functions, including controlling your hormones that are related to appetite. A night of little sleep can mess with the hunger hormone, also known as ghrelin, and can lead to making different than normal food choices. So try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and try and sleep and wake at consistent times. So one of the most important organs in your body is your gut, and it's host to over 100 trillion types of bacteria. So to help them thrive, you need to make sure you get plenty of prebiotic foods that are rich in fiber, like bananas, onions, and garlic, and probiotic foods found in fermented foods like miso, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Naturally occurring sugars, like those found in fruit and milk, is totally fine in moderation, but too much added sugar can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Added sugars are burned up really quickly, and if our body doesn't use it right away, it's stored as fat. So the next time a sweet craving strikes, try choosing a food with naturally occurring sugar like fruit. Or pair something sweet with something more slow digesting like protein and fiber. Certain types of carbs actually can help with weight loss, contrary to the anti-carb narrative. So the key is to focus on complex carbs, like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains that provide a bunch of important vitamins and nutrients and are slower to digest as our body needs them. This is not to say you can never enjoy a drink if you're trying to lose weight, but alcohol is really high in calories, and high calorie and high sugar sweeteners and mixers don't really do you any favors either. So if you like to drink, but you are trying to lose weight, try and stick to 1 to 2 drinks a night and choose lower sugar options, or try to drink fewer nights of the week. Even though they don't have any calories, artificial sweeteners can make it hard to lose weight. For starters, they are more than 200 times sweeter than table sugar. So they'll mess with your taste buds and also make your body feel like it's about to receive sugar. And when it doesn't, it can be more apt to synthesize it and store it as fat the next time it does. However, swapping in the full sugar counterparts won't really do you any favors. So just try and moderate your sweet consumption, whether it's table sugar or artificial sweeteners.